In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify store theme. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a new look for your storefront using Shopify's theme store, compare options, and narrow down what fits your brand. Start in your Shopify admin. From the left sidebar, open Online Store to view your themes area. To explore new designs, choose Visit Theme Store. This opens a curated catalog in a new tab. Begin by looking at cost options. Click Free to browse high-quality themes that won't add to your budget, great for getting started or testing ideas. Then click Paid to include premium themes in your results. Paid themes typically offer more presets, advanced sections, and specialized layouts, while free themes are still very capable, so it's helpful to see both side by side. Next, refine features. Click Highlights to surface useful capabilities, such as enhanced product filtering, quick view, or editorial content blocks. This helps you focus on the shopping experience you want your customers to have, rather than scrolling endlessly. Now explore by industry to speed up discovery. Open the industry filters and click through categories one by one to see how each shapes the gallery of themes. Start with Art for creative, visually expressive layouts, then Auto for automotive-focused merchandising. Continue with Bags, Beauty, and Clothing for fashion-forward collections. Move to Electronics for tech-centric product displays, and Entertainment for media-rich storytelling. Check Food and Drink for menus and product bundles, Garden for earthy aesthetics, and Hardware for utilitarian catalogs. Explore Home for lifestyle storefronts, Jewelry and accessories for detail-driven product imagery, and Kids for playful palettes. Review Office for professional supplies, Pets for pet care merchandising, and Services for booking and service-led layouts. Then compare Shoes for footwear grids, Sports for energetic visuals, Toys for bold colors and discovery, and Wellness for calm, wellness-oriented branding. As you click each category, Art through Wellness, the results update instantly. You're not locked into an industry. Any theme can be customized. These filters simply bring you closer to a layout that already aligns with your catalog size, photography style, and navigation needs. When a theme catches your eye, open it in a new tab and review the details. Look at included presets, available sections, speed notes, and support information. Use the demos to visualize your products in place, paying attention to the header, collection, and product pages, and how variants, swatches, and media are handled. Keep both free and paid toggled if you want a true value comparison, and combine highlights with your industry filter to pinpoint must-have features while avoiding feature bloat. Once you've explored the categories and refined your shortlist, you'll be ready to continue from the Themes page with the option that best fits your store's goals. That's how you navigate the theme store, switch between free and paid options, use highlights, and browse industries from art all the way to wellness to find the right starting point for your new Shopify look.